This isn't a car at all. This is a time machine. Someone once said, the Bugatti Veyron was the Concorde moment in the world of cars. Well, mankind may have stepped back from that particular threshold of achievement, but Bugatti is back for more. This is the CHIRON. There has never been anything quite like this. Almost 1,500 brake horsepower, almost 1,200 pounds-foot of torque, 8 litres, 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers. That engine, it's not like baying in a car in the normal sense, and it's like having an industrial power station whirring and whooshing and ingesting vast amounts of air. Have a listen. Every bit of the engine, the 7-speed dual clutch transmission, the suspension, the aerodynamics, the wheels and tires, all new and all mind-blowing. The whole thing has the same rigidity as a front-running Le Mans prototype racing car, but it's a road car, so everything is adjustable. Ride height, damping, steering, powertrain. The steering, which is fully electric, has more feel. The front end turns in more sharply. You can really lean on it. That is amazing for a car of this size with almost 1,500 brake horsepower. Not even Bugatti knows exactly how fast the CHIRON is. 260 is doable, but there's no question that this car is engineered to do 300 miles per hour. We don't yet know what would have superseded Concorde, but what we do know is that the Bugatti CHIRON exists, and it's incredible. Nothing accelerates like that. I mean, it's not a car, it's a time machine.